Alright, we have got a question 3 power x, which is equal to x. Solution. Then by copy what we have 3 power x, which equals to x. Then we're going to start by applying ln on both sides. Ln of 3 power x equals to ln of x. Then we shall say x ln of 3 equals to ln x. Okay, then here we shall divide x and divide x right here to get ln of 3 equals to ln x over x. Okay, and here ln of 3 will be ln x over, this x can be written as e power ln x, so that here ln of 3 will be ln x times e power ln x, which is negative. Then here you have to apply to multiply negative on both sides to get ln of 3 negative, which is equal to negative ln x times e power negative ln x, so that you have a negative ln x and here have negative ln x, so that we shall apply algebraic function to get algebraic function of negative ln of 3, which equals to negative ln x times algebraic function of negative ln x times e power negative ln x. Okay, then here algebraic function of negative ln of 3 is equal to, when you have algebraic function of negative ln x times e power negative ln x, which is, this will be negative ln x. Okay, and we have to divide negative on both sides, negative, so that we shall say ln x is equal to negative algebraic function of negative ln of 3. At this stage here we shall apply e to get e power ln x is equal to e power negative algebraic function of negative ln of 3, so that here e power ln x is equals to x, which equals to e power negative algebraic function of negative ln of 3, so that here x is equal to 1 over algebraic function of negative, here negative ln of 3, so that here x has no real solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.